Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. By now we know that a group of words that makes sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. We also know that a sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate and gives a complete sense. Now let's know what is a clause. Students, a clause is a part of sentence and has its own subject and predicate. A sentence has its own subject and predicate. A clause also has its own subject and predicate. Then what's the difference? Remember, clause is a smaller unit than a sentence. Here you should remember that a sentence gives a complete information, but a clause may or may not give a complete information. Let's see how. See this example. When the giant arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. Here are two clauses. First one is when the giant arrived, and second one is he saw the children playing in the garden. We can see both have their own subjects and predicates. But the clause 1 doesn't give a complete information. When the giant arrived, then what? What happened? Clause 2 is conveying the complete information. He saw the children playing in the garden. Now see the next example. You will pass if you work hard. Clause 1 is giving a complete thought. You pass. But clause number 2 doesn't convey the complete thought. Though both the clauses have their own subjects and predicates. Thus we come to know there are different clauses. To know more about it, see the next slide. A clause that has a subject and a predicate and makes complete sense is called a main or an independent clause. Example, he became very angry. You can see it gives a complete thought. A clause that has a subject and predicate but doesn't express a complete thought and leaves a question is a dependent or subordinate clause. Example, when the giant arrived. So this dependent clause takes the help of the main clause to convey a complete information. Now we join one independent and one dependent clause, then it is a complete sentence. When the giant arrived, he became very angry. Children, here some conjunctions are given which we use to join a dependent clause to the main clause. Thus they become a complete sentence. We will see the next slide for more examples. Here the examples of both types of clauses are given. Go through them and understand the differences. Those which are conveying complete informations are independent clauses and the others with incomplete ideas are dependent clauses. When we combine them properly, they become complete sentences giving complete thoughts. I hope, children, it is clear to you. You do practice and revise this video again and again. Thank you.